Hi friends, welcome to Jayashreebalan-Learn Astrology. Today I am going to talk about the classical yoga for the musician, music singer. So first time I am going to talk in English because someone gave like a boost. It is Sangeeta Srivastava. She said you should try to talk in English so that there will be a lot of viewers in your channel, because it is worth also. So that I am trying my level well. Please excuse me if I did any grammatical mistake. So why I am taking this subject for my video, because I am what I have to say, I am also like everyone, I am big follower of Mr. SPB Sir. From my childhood, I still now today also I have to hear at least one or two songs his song, then only through the Bluetooth. While cooking I used to hear his song. So I thought, I want to know what is the placement of the planet position in his chart, so that he shine like a big star, like a sun and moon. He shine like that. So like a MS Balashmi Amma. So it was I was searching. Lastly I got his birth date and birthplace also, but the birth time is not exactly as well. Actually everybody takes for everyone, for the celebrities they take 12 o'clock, whether it is a morning or night, I don't know what they used to take, but 12 o'clock. But it is not fit into the yogas and all. So I tried my level best. I tried all the techniques, then I find out the exact time, what will be the exact birth time it will be. So I have somehow I made his chart to show you all what are the yogas he is having for the music singer. See, we are having our means younger generation, the children who are having this kind of classical yoga in their chart, but we parents used to say that we should not go for the singing, it will waste our time, you have to study the engineering, you have to do for the medical profession, like that. But actually they are having some other talent already predicted by the God. Actually the Mr. SPB Sir's chart was already predicted by the God with keen interest. The chart was so awesome. It's blessed chart. I am very proud to teach you through his chart. So come, we will go and see through the board. Okay. Before going to the board, I want to ask one help from you all. Those people who are having knowledge of making intro and outro, I want to make an intro and outro with a wonderful logo. Those people who are having experience on it, please kindly reach me through the jayashreebalan@gmail.com through, so that we can proceed further. Thank you. His chart is more or less than, actually even equal to Lata Mangeshkar, and I remember maybe Mr. Ilayaraja also having a Taurus ascendant, because it shows he is the Taurus ascendant, and Rahu, Mercury and Sun is sitting in his Lagna, and then Saturn and Venus in the second house. Nakshatra of Venus is sitting in the Nakshatra of Tiruvadra. Okay, it is, I think so, Saturn is sitting in the Nakshatra of Punarvasu, and then here he is having a moon in his own sign, third house, which is for the music and all. It is the moon is sitting on its own house. Okay, and then fifth house Jupiter is there, and then seventh house Ketu is sitting over there. Ketu is the main point, is Ketu is sitting on the Jyeshta Nakshatra, which is Mercury. The Mercury is sitting in his Lagna. And then what is the special in this horoscope? What is the special? Because first I have to say first point, if the sun is in Taurus, they will be fond of music, and then they will be in the music. Okay, and then moreover is the 10th lord Rahu is sitting in it. Okay, and then fourth lord and fifth lord, which is called Saraswati Yoga. That Saraswati Yoga is sitting in its Lagna. Okay, it is sitting on the 10th lord sitting in the first. It is itself, there is a Saraswati Yoga as well as Kendra, Trikona, Raja Yoga, because it is, we have to consider first house as a Trikona as well as the Kendra, and it is a Kendra and this one is the Trikona, and then 10th is also Kendra. So all the planets are sitting in the one place. This is called not only Saraswati Yoga, it is called Kendra, Trikona, Raja Yoga. Again, if we come to this one here, Venus, the Venus and Mercury is exchanged their place. Okay, then if we consider the exchange, if Mercury is in here, so after second from Sun, it is also kind of some good yoga. I think so. It is not a Kalanidhi yoga, some other Raja yoga. And then here, if you see from the moon, it is a 10th lord. Like Lagna 10th lord sitting over here. Same way, if you see here, the Mars is debilitated over there, but the moon is sitting on its own house. So it is called the Nichabanga Raja yoga. And then the 10th lord from a moon sign, the 10th lord sitting over there, as well as is the 5th lord. Okay, sitting over there. So this is also again come to the Kendra, Trikona, Raja Yoga as well as the Nichabanga Raja Yoga. And then if we come to here, from Mercury, 5th house, the Jupiter is sitting over there, which is a very, very auspicious. This is called a Kalanidhi yoga. Okay. And then here, if you see the Artha Trikona, it is a 9th lord and the 10th lord is sitting in the second. It is a Dharma Karmadi yoga. He used to give, I think he might have helped so many people, because it is an indication. He did so many things from his financial help he might have given. And then other thing is the first lord as well as the here it is Artha Trikona. Artha Trikona is a very strong, because he born for this is the music. Always he used to live with the music, drum and music brand. Though it is full, this is music side. Yeah, same it is in even Lata Mangeshkar horoscope also same one. And then even if you see the Ilayaraja's horoscope also like this. And then more than that, here see the second house lord, this is exchange. We consider it as a second lord, Mercury. And then here the 6th lord, Venus, is sitting over there, as well as the 10th lord. If you consider it as a 10th lord, Artha Trikona, 2nd, 6 and 10, right? 2nd lord sitting over there and 6th lord here, and then 10th lord also sitting over there. So Artha Trikona is very strong. Till the end he earned, till the end he worked hard. Saturn is the work hard. So he grown with his own talent. Okay. So and then why I took the ascendant as I fixed the 5:30 a.m. will be his birth time, because see the now the aspect Pochara, so Saturn is over here, and then Jupiter is also the 8th lord is sitting over there. 8th lord is not for him. Jupiter is the Bada Karaka, right? And then Saturn is also sitting over there. 9th lord sitting was here. So that so there was a controversy about he should not sing a Ilayaraja song and all. So the controversy was all over. So I thought, this Lagna will be fit into place. So that this is the wonderful for the musicians. This placement should be. And one more thing. This is also some kind of the yoga. I don't know. It is a kind of. This is also Kalanidhi yoga. Some good yoga. The Mercury and Venus and all the planets, all 7 planets under control of Sun and Moon. This is also biggest yoga. So all the people's view are only about him, about his voice. See, this is the second of everything is related to voice. Okay, so this is the wonderful placement. This placement is everybody, all the world people is used to follow him because of this placement only. This is the wonderful chart. Everybody, now what I want to mainly, I should not forget to tell that now already Rahu and Ketu transit over here. already Rahu is in the this year up to 22nd. Rahu and Ketu will be here only. In the month of May 15 to June 15, the moms who are going to give a newborn baby in the month of May to June will be having this kind of chart. This is the Saraswati Yoga as well as the 10th Lord. This is this kind of yoga babies are going to born, so you are ready to make your kids as a singer. We will. I hope everybody understood the chart. I think I explained very well. If you are like this video, please share and like and give a comments. We will wait. Next video will be the Ketu in the Nakshatra of Ashwini. I am going to teach you the planets, the Graha are in the Nakshatra. So many, because every piece, if Ketu in the sense Ketu with the 27 Nakshatra. So then next is Rahu in the 27 Nakshatra, Sun in the 27 Nakshatra. Like that I am going to explain planets and with the Nakshatra. So it will be, I think so, more than 183 videos. I don't know whether I can complete it or not. But even though I am trying my level best to teach you all about the planets through Nakshatra, or Graha with the Nakshatras, whatever it may be, we will wait and see. Okay, thank you very much.